In recent decades, globalization has changed the culture of many a nation. On one hand, it is needed because it is believed to accelerate economic growth, while on the other hand, it is feared as it can detract from the traditional noble values of a nation. To become developed, a nation needs a strong idealism in preserving the national positive culture and Islamic education in preserving the broad Islamic knowledge. The need for education not only considers academic ability as a measurement of success, but also creates a generation of morals, conscience, and absolute intelligence in order to respond to global challenges in the future. An Islamic boarding school founded by three founding fathers, K. Haji Abdul Manaf Mukhayyar, Dr. Lieutenant Colonel Haji Qamaruzzaman, and Dr. K. Haji Mahrus Amin, which has grown rapidly in educating the nation's next generation and participated in preserving the Indonesian traditional noble values. With a cool environment in the middle of the metropolitan city of Jakarta, Darunnajah Islamic Boarding School possesses a uniqueness that comes from a combination of the character of the modern institution and a commitment to maintaining the prophetic sunnah and Islamic boarding school tradition. Developed under the shade of the Darunnajah group, the Darunnajah Islamic Boarding School has managed to build public confidence by opening 17 branches of the Islamic boarding school throughout Indonesia. Darunnajah Islamic Boarding School is led by Dr. K. Haji Mahrus Amin and Dr. K. Haji Sofwan Manaf MSI. The applied teaching system is a combination of the system adopted from KMI, Kulliyatul Muallimin al-Islamiyya Darussalam Gontor Modern Islamic Boarding School, as well as the national curriculum. It is well known that alumni of Darunnajah Islamic Boarding School have spread in various top universities in Indonesia and various countries, including Egypt, Malaysia, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, France, the United States of America, and Germany. Intra-curricular facilities such as comfortable classrooms, complete learning laboratories, and internet-based communication facilities become some of the modern characteristics of Darunnajah Islamic Boarding School. By firmly holding to the five spirits, sincerity, simplicity, self-sufficiency, Ukhuwah Islamiyah or Islamic brotherhood, and freedom. The completeness of extracurricular facilities such as sport facilities, art, organization, and skills are proof to the commitment of Darunnajah to develop high intelligence and creativity of students. More than just a physical appearance, modern elements are evident from the school's well-groomed management. The results? Business development becomes one of the priority programs to maintain the economic stability of the Islamic boarding school. Various business sectors are directly managed by institution in a professional manner, ranging from the retail sector, the provision of services, agribusiness, and creative industries. The school also actively cooperates with global education institutions in order to open the school organization and networking insights. In 2017, Darunnajah Islamic Boarding School's students amounted to 8,621 students in the campuses, with 1,279 teachers, administrative staff, and employees. The existing facilities consist of a mosque as a means of worship that animates the Islamic boarding school, classrooms, male dormitory, female dormitory, natural science laboratory, computer laboratory, language laboratory, library, polyclinic, mini market, sports facilities, photo studio, telephone center, Baitul Mal wa Tamwil or BMT, cafeteria, sport hall, cooperative, travel, and production house. Part of Darunnajah Islamic Boarding School's features include various impressions, diverse experiences, and a variety of changes. to reflect the 5 souls as a form of the Islamic boarding school. The sustainability of all the Islamic boarding school's functions is maintained by using the principles of care for good traditions and at the same time adapting new scientific developments and holding to these principles. Darunnajah Islamic Boarding School has and will continue to play a role as one of the agents of change in educating the future generation of Indonesia, a generation that is able to compete and face global challenges, the generation of morals and conscience.